In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Now select Themes over here. Tap on one of those to apply it, or select this icon of a shirt under Downloaded Themes and install one of those. Just click on it, hit download and tap on apply. If you want to customize it though, click on the same icon. And this time, after selecting themes, use this icon of a photo under Customize Themes. Now, in order to make this feature work, you need to choose Allow Limited Access and click on a photo, or Allow All and select Photo from here. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and rotate it however you wish to. When you finished, hit Next. Now you can manage all of those options at the top. You can pick one of those keys and change color of them, or click on one of those to make your keyboard even more interesting. Don't worry, you can always adjust up this theme thanks to this slider. Let's go with this one. Then tap on font, click on the best one for you, and change color of it over here. Now select swipe at the top to pick color of it, float option, and even adjust the brightness of your keyboard here. If you wish to, you can also make your background more or less blurry thanks to this slider. To adjust opacity, manage this slider. When you're ready, you can click on Effect at the top and tap on one of those. It will be visible every time you will use your keyboard. You can also enable or disable K-Press bubble thanks to this switcher. Then choose Sounds and click on one of those to decide which one you wish to hear every time you will press a key. Adjust volume here, or mute it thanks to this icon. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!